Okay, so today we are going to list on eBay using our smartphone. So stay tuned. I got a video coming up on me listing on eBay with my smartphone. Now, I just want to let you know that anyone can do this, whether you have an Android or an Apple phone. You go to your Play Store and you just download the eBay app and you can start from there. So here we go. Let's list together and let's list on eBay. Hey, today I'm going to show you how to list on eBay through your phone. So today I got my phone up on the camera and I want to show you how we list. So I have the eBay app on my phone. And okay, so we go to selling and we're going to list an item. I have to find an item to list because I don't have too much. Go to my death pile here. Okay, so what did I find in my death pile? Here's a pair of Mason's pants that he does not fit anymore. Instead of trying to get rid of these, let's sell them. Okay, and this will just help with the purpose of the video. So we're going to describe our item. Okay. So we're going to go to boys. Size. Six. Oh, I want to put it. Jeans. Mid. High. Crazy. 8. We owned. Okay, so let's go to the pictures. We usually fold it where I have this flimsy 3D ring light that I got on eBay for 20 bucks. It's not the greatest, but it works. So I kind of hold it up. So when you're doing photos, you want to have good light quality. This is how you sell your item. Because they can't physically pick it up and look at it themselves. So you want to show them all angles. So that's what we're doing. Okay. We will. And you can sell anything on eBay. I just grabbed a pair of clothing because that's what I had in my death pile. Try to grab the tag and straighten it out so people can read it. So they're adjustable. So there's the pictures. Now, once they load, we can crop them. Any flaws, stains, or anything, you would want to point them out as well. There you go. Now to your item specifics. Okay, size, they're size 6. Style, they're straight. Color, blue. Fit, regular. Character, that's up to you. Sometimes I put not apply. eBay wants you to fill something in that blank though. Closure, zip. Material, 100% cotton. Occasion, Google casual. Inseam. It's good to have a little ruler when it's clothing. Measurements. You doing? Clothing. So we'll just go in here and measure the inseam, and it's 19 and a half. Waist size. Again, we will need to measure. So that's 10 and a half. So it'd be 21 inches. Performance. I'm going to put not apply. So jeans. Vintage, no. UPS or UPC does not apply. That's the minimum. You want to go above and beyond, and you want to try to fill in all the blanks that you possibly can. Fabric type. Blended. Just do it to the best that you could. It's adjustable waist, so that's a good feature. Theme, American. Fabric wash would be medium. Accents. Adjustable. Pattern is solid. Season, mark all 4 seasons. Okay, how are they made? Usually all this can be found on the tag. I seen it was 2016, so. Garment care, machine washable, belt loops. So that way, if someone types in a pair of jeans and just says belt loops, it's still going to show because we put that in there. Okay, so you want to be as descriptive as possible. Boys, size 6 jeans made by Crazy 8. Condition is pre-owned. Shipped first class. 3 to 5 business days. Okay. Adjustable waist. Oh. Okay. Pre-owned. No rips. Some signs of use in knees. Okay. So I'm trying to be honest with everything. I don't like to do auction See, these pair of pants are usually going for $4.50, so which is better than throwing them away and getting nothing. Sell it faster. I always do promoted listings. You need a store to do that. So if it sells during a promoted listing, I'm going to end up paying 9 cents for an ad fee. I'm okay with that. You can preview our ad, see what we did. We can look at our pictures. I think they look fine. This is what our ad will look like. You're okay with that? You hit list item. And it's as simple as that. Oh, it wants to wait. So, I mean, see, if you miss something, it's going to tell you. Okay, I have a small kitchen scale here, and it'll weigh them up to 10 pounds. So let's turn this on. I want to try to, I don't know. I can really show you what I'm doing here. I'll try. So it's on 0. It says 11.1 ounces. Keep in mind the packaging too. So that could be a few extra ounces. So I'm going to just say 15 ounces. Because you can get messed up really bad in the shipping. The shipping is what's going to get you anything. I always do calculated. I try not to do free shipping unless you really know what you're going to do, how it's shipping, and, you know, once you've done so many, I wouldn't do it. Okay, so then it's listed. There it is. There it is. Okay, so basically, that's as easy as it can be. The only other thing you would need is a printer. I have a thermal printer. Before that, I went to Walmart and I spent like $39.99. I got a wireless printer. As long as it says wireless, when you get on your Bluetooth, you just turn on your Bluetooth on your phone and you hit the Bluetooth number on the printer and it should print. I never go to the postal service and buy my labels. I always buy them online, either through eBay or pirateship.com. And next time we do, I ship something out, I will videotape it and I'll show you how to do that. Because you save a percentage of buying it online. So then all you have to do is you don't even have to stand in line when you drop it off at the postal, the post office. They have like this, I call it the roundabout. It's up there on the wall, and you just stick it in there and you turn the handle and it goes right down the chute, and the person that's sorting the mail scans it and out it goes. You don't have to wait in line. You don't have to come in contact with anybody, which is perfect, being that we're in a pandemic right now. So anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope that you learned something. That's why I'm doing these videos. So stay tuned tomorrow, and maybe we'll do a video on how to print up a shipping label. So thank you very much. And